At St. Pius X School, we practice differentiated instruction. Differentiated instruction is child-centered rather than adopting an approach of teaching and learning that presumes that all students learn the same way. It individualizes the education for each child. One of the ways we do this is through guided instruction. Guided instruction is whole class instruction followed by small group interaction and one-on-one relations with the teacher and student at that group's academic level. This clip that you are about to see will demonstrate how we utilize guided math in our school.
We use guided math so we can organize our classes into smaller groups so students can be arranged by, they work at different levels and different pacing. So the children who tend to need to work a little slower can get more one-on-one instruction, and then the children who are excelling can move ahead. So everybody's at different levels, at different paces. And it benefits not just the student but the teachers, because the teachers gives them the opportunity to get a better handle on how they're doing with a particular skill. We see it not just in the teaching of the lesson, which is a small group, but when they're doing their individual work in the games and rotating around the classroom.
I think in the lower grades too, doing guided math, it makes math more fun for them. They can play games with each other. They get to develop skills to work together and work out problems together. They can see how other students are solving math problems and they learn from each other. And the kids really enjoy it. It's hands-on. It's fun for them.
Good morning. You're in a sixth grade math class right now, and we're doing our groupings. This morning, group up front, could you captain raise your hand? Each group has a captain. All captains group in the back. Captains raise your hand. Each of the three groups has a captain, and the captains are in charge of their group when they're not in direct instruction. This group up front is in direct instruction with me right now, and we'll be working today on absolute value. Also in the back, we have another group that is working right now on finishing a retake of a math, so that I make sure that they're understanding some of the concepts that they weren't so sure of during the last math test that we took. So it's a way to reinforce certain skills that we went over yesterday. And then the third group is working on some geometry skills that we do on the side. They're independent. Their captain is letting two of them work at a time, and then he's also doing his own work. Captains report to me if there are any problems in the independent groups while I'm doing direct instruction. And also captains are able to yellow card students if behavior deems that, and then we discuss later why someone was yellow carded and what happened, so that we can work in groups more effectively in the future. So right now, while you're filming, I'm going to begin talking to my students about absolute value.
Get ready to split up.
Yeah, but do you follow this direction?
Hey, remember what I said, we may not finish it all today, so we're gonna stop here. Okay, we're gonna clean up. My bucket passers, we're gonna switch. We're gonna switch the schedule around. Okay, don't worry if you didn't finish. We're gonna have one more rotation this morning. You guys finish up your bar graphs, okay? And these can go in the completed. Good job, guys. You can move your clothespin up. So now let's take a look at our chart. So guided math, cats, you're going to be with me. Math games, that's going to go to the bunny group. Group math is going to be the dogs, and independent math is going to be the piggies. You are going to pass it today. Yeah, we'll go first. When's your birthday? We'll be nice and loud. When's your birthday? Okay, so read through it first. Yours is closer. All right, so I'm going to deal the cards. Ready? 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Each with their
Joa, pick a number for the tens, please.
Gabriel? Alright, Gabriel.
Alright, so you have to, the goal is to get matching pairs of the same number. However, the numbers are represented in different ways. The player who runs out of cards or who has the most pairs wins. Okay? So look at your cards. It's just like Go Fish.
Good job. So, Luca,
Our origin. We can go this way, or we can go this way. Both the distances, okay? Negative distance, positive distance. The only thing negative is telling us is it's going to the left. They mean the same thing. Same value. When you put it between two straight bars, instead of parentheses like this, we're going to put it straight bars. Can you go a negative distance in your car? No.
Count how many in each tower. A related division sentence? You said 7?
21.
Yes, that number goes over here. Now you take your ones, the other 2 that's in your ones place, and you go diagonal. Let's see how we can do it. Or you can tell me how